Let's build a heat map in Excel to spot trends, outliers, or patterns in your data. Here we have some sales data. We have 5 products over the span of 6 months, and we want to help answer some questions like which product is trending up, which month was the worst, which product is trending down, and which ones are staying the same. So let's go ahead and apply a color scale to make the answers pop out to us. First, only select your numbers. Don't select your headers or the product names because this will confuse Excel. Go to your Home tab, and then go ahead and go to your Conditional Formatting. And we'll go ahead and go to Color Scales and apply the first one here, which is the green, yellow, and red. Green meaning the highest, and then red meaning the lowest. Now we can see that this does kind of look nice, but say for example you want to change your colors. Go to Conditional Formatting, go to Manage Rules, and we'll double click our rule and change our lowest color to white and our highest color to blue, and go ahead and click OK and apply. So now we can see some of the answers to our questions. The products that are doing the best or trending down, laptops are trending down because we started with some high sales in January, but it's slowly declining to June, and then monitors are doing the opposite. We started off slow, but it looks like the sales are increasing as we go on throughout the 6-month period. Now, the worst month, it pops out to us. It's actually going to be the mice with only $800 in January. And then we can see our headsets are doing pretty consistent across the board, and same with our keyboards. So the heat map is a great way to visualize your data and have your answers pop out that might not be so obvious looking at other types of visuals.